Good day guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to set your working profile on Android. So one of the ways to do this is to use second space. So I have a second space, for example. There it is, second space feature to pretty much make a copy of your phone, so that you don't have your usual, like for example, if I go back, you're not going to have all these usual apps. All of them will be here, but you'll be taken to a different place. And you can pretty much just go ahead and set this second space. As you can see, it's a designated screen lock for second space. It's going to use a completely separate blank pretty much environment for you to work on, and you can pretty much set up your work profile like this. And in there you won't have your personal apps, for example. And another way is you can open up your Google settings in here and just go ahead and log in into a different Google account or create a new one. And then you can just swap between them and, for example, have one for your private data, your private usage, and one for work. This way you will separate, for example, your emails, your pretty much mail service to which you receive some mail and messages, and you will have one for private and one for work. So these are the two ways that I found to be the best. Guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.